Just at 11 a.m., getting to 11 a.m. this morning, the Mahayuti has routed the Mahavikas Aghadi. Shinde Sena alone is larger than the entire Mahavikas Aghadi that is right now showing on the numbers. And this is the big breaking news coming in. The NDA has swept Maharashtra. The India Alliance has lost face and lost its narrative there. The Shinde Sena is a party that is larger than the entire Mahavikas Aghadi put together. The BJP has a strike rate currently in the leads of 85%. 85% strike rate of the BJP, and that, if that is not unprecedented, I don't know what is. Clearly something that has happened on the ground. The narrative has won. Ladki Behna has won. It is also the counter polarization against attempts of the Congress party and its alliance partners to go towards support through fatwas, through religious leaders, that has completely backfired. And the charge of crony capitalism against Prime Minister Modi, bringing up the Adani safe issue, has completely boomeranged for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Clearly the lesson is here. They've learnt it over the last 11 years several times, that any charge of corruption never sticks to Narendra Modi.
For the public, we can't say that. No, Navika, you are saying that if the people do not think mega corruption is an issue, then it's not a legal constitutional issue.
It's not. People are looking...
That people are not voting against that even...
because probably, Sabha, probably the writing on the wall is that if corruption becomes an issue, the corruption on either side doesn't have a story which is different.
No, but that does not mean Adani cannot now raise money. He's an internationally tainted figure. Well, I'm afraid whether Modi...
I'm sorry you're getting ahead of yourself as far as the situation in court is concerned. These are charges.
But there is an indictment. So we cannot...
Indictment. 1 minute, Sabha. Indictment in the American parlance is a charge sheet in the Indian parlance, where the court has not gone into the matter. It may raise questions, but these questions may be answered by the court itself. Why are you in such a hurry?
We cannot say that it is that because the people vote for the BJP, that it is an exoneration of Adani.
Well, they don't believe that
process.
They don't believe that the Congress can solve that situation either, Smita.
I totally get it. That yes, it's not an exoneration of Adani, but the fact that the MVA constituents made Adani and Constitution as the biggest factors for the Maharashtra polls, that goes to show that people are willing to vote on anything, but not what the messaging was of either the Congress or the Uddhav Sena out there, or the NCP for that matter, when they kept on harping on Adani, Ambani, and they kept on harping about the Constitution. They said, look, we may have our issues, but you are not the solution.
Absolutely. Joining the broadcast at this moment is Shehzad Poonawala. Congratulations to you, Shehzad Poonawala. महाराष्ट्र स्टुपेंडस विक्ट्री, ये वो वाली सुनामी है जो योगेंद्र यादव ने प्रिडिक्ट की थी कांग्रेस के लिए हरियाणा में, ये महाराष्ट्र में बीजेपी और महायुति के लिए हो गई. Secondly, is it also the victory of the narrative? Charges of constitution, charges of corruption, and charges of caste, none of these seem to have washed with the people. How do you respond?
नाविका जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं इसलिए ज्यादा खुश हूं क्योंकि हमारी ईवीएम बच गई. पर अभी अभी पता चला है कि ये संजय राउत ने ईवीएम को गड़बड़ बोल दिया। आप बताइए, झारखंड में नो गड़बड़ और महाराष्ट्र में गड़बड़। यही इंडी अलायंस है। इनका सी है सी फॉर कम्युनलिज्म, नौमानी और सलमानी। इनका सी है सी फॉर कास्ट में बांटना। इनका सी है सी फॉर किस प्रकार से एक प्रकार से चोरी के आरोप लगाना पर उसको सब्सटैंशिएट ना करना। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये इनकी हार हुई है। और जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे महिला सम्मान का, किसानों के उत्थान का,
एक्रोनिम है नीता अंबानी,
मैं
नरेंद्र
अपनी
इज
बात
द
करवा जी, फिर
ऑल्टरनेटिव,
आप acronym
अमेजिंग
दीजिएगा।
मोदी बिल्डिंग अ न्यू इंडिया।
अच्छा, while I work that out, amazing Modi building a new
अगर
India.
आपकी परमिशन आनंद जी तो मैं
अमेजिंग मोदी बिल्डिंग अ न्यू इंडिया, अंबानी, एंड नरेंद्र इज द ऑल्टरनेटिव। हाउ अबाउट दैट शहजाद?
The EVM धांधली in the
मुझे
studio.
लगता है कि देखिए
ये फ्रॉड है, ये हरियाणा में भी किया और यहाँ भी किया है।
झारखंड में धांधली नहीं हुई।
नहीं,
झारखंड में
there was a pathologist, listen to me, there was a pathologist yesterday, please answer, 160, 165, 170 पे जीतते रियलिस्टिक होता, दिस इज चोरी। एक सेकंड, वर ईवीएम्स हैव टू
आपके हिसाब से थोड़ी होगा।
नहीं, वोट जिहाद कहां गया? वोट जिहाद होने वाला था, क्यों नहीं हुआ? या तो वोट जिहाद है ही नहीं, धर्म युद्ध हो गया। फिर धर्म युद्ध कैसे हो गया? आप कह रहे हो कि जो 50 सीटें जो 50 सीट आ गए, जो 50 सीट्स इंडिया अलायंस को मिली हैं वो सारी सर मुसलमानों की, सारे हिंदुओं ने भाजपा को वोट दिया। और क्या है? हाउ पोलराइजिंग, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
आनंद रंगनाथन मेकिंग अ पॉइंट।
नहीं, आई नो ही इज अ कम्युनिस्ट, मेरे कॉमरेड हैं, लेकिन फिर
कितनी
भी
सीटें मिली है महाराष्ट्र में?
नहीं, नोटा से भी कम मिली है, वो अलग बात है। लेकिन फिर भी इतना तो जानते होंगे इलेक्टोरल डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में कि इंडिया फॉलोज द फर्स्ट पास्ट द पोस्ट सिस्टम। अगर 20% आप कह रहे हैं वोट जिहाद विवाद, अगर वो भी मिले हो, लेकिन अगर 80% अलग मिले हो, सो दे विल विन। तो ये आपका कहना क्या मतलब है? क्या
What you are trying to say is that all the 80% Hindus voted for Bhajpa.
एक है तो सेफ है, एक है तो सेफ है,
This is the managed
एक है तो सेफ है।
This is the managed result. You did it in Haryana and you have done it here.
नाविका, this is झारखंड में क्या हुआ?
Why are you insulting the people's mandate? Why are you insulting the people's
It is not the
mandate?
question. It is not the question of victory. The victory, Bhajpa ही आती जीतते, no problem. 160,
No
160,
problem.
170.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए वही है।
Margin of victory. Leading in Jharkhand, there also the EVM is fixed. That is what 100%. See. No, then EVM can be over.
leading in one seat in Maharashtra. Double check karo.
Even that is fixed. Even that is fixed, Pal.
On a larger serious note, this blaming the EVMs, blaming one industrialist.
Thank you.
Now, you know why this industrialist narrative doesn't
Tell him that.
Let me just...
that's why he's not in the Congress.
Just 10 seconds. You know why this industrialist? In the wedding of in the wedding of another industrialist, the person behind the industrialist and the family continuously was the ex-chief minister of Maharashtra. He and his wife are best friends. You are blaming the industrialists, the two industrialists, you give them bad words. The chief minister, the chief ministerial face from his party is there. So I am thinking, and there's nothing wrong in being friends. Nothing wrong with these friends with XYZ industries, nothing wrong. But then that doesn't work. Now Sanjay Raut ji comes here, he's blaming one industrialist, not the other. He's blaming the EVM. This is beyond
All right.
This is beyond
There's a civil war. There is a civil war in the studio.
I agree, the messaging doesn't work if the person
I support Sanjay Rawat. He has spoken the right words. We wanted to protect Adani and this whole game has been played.
The Congress is saying that Raut has cost them the election.
No.
ये बेगानी शादी में
1 minute.
देखो नाविका जी, हमारी ये भारी पराजय का पूरा श्रेय संजय राउत को न दिया जाए। उनके पास भी बहुत थे ना, उनके पास भी बहुत थे। बहुत देखिए, ये है ना टिकट
मौलाना के पास
All right. 1 minute.
अरे मैं बहुत अच्छी बात कर रहा हूं। ये टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोल रहा है। टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेरिट पर हुआ नहीं। कहीं टिकट सेल हुआ।
He told me this yesterday.
yesterday क्या मैं बता रहा हूं।
कांग्रेस में के
इनके पार्टी में
नहीं
इनके पार्टी में
देखो, रिश्तेदारों को टिकट दी गई।
पूछो इनको।
अब ये
कौन से पार्टी में?
इनकी पार्टी की।
एक कांग्रेस का बताता हूं मैं। देखो कांग्रेस का एक है ना,
नहीं पता।
चंद्रपुर की 6 खींची सीटों में 50,000 के ऊपर लीड था और अभी वहां पर कोई
नहीं, वीवीपैट से